Come on, let's go downstairs. Let's go down. Oh my gosh, there you go. 14 months old. You're such a big girl. Come on, keep coming. Come on. There you go. Mimi and Big Papa are going to be so proud of you. Yes, they are. Show them how you do the full 3 flights of stairs. What is today? I think today's Sunday, February 23rd, 2014.